My name is Jim Bresch. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've been in practice for over 25 years. I'm board certified in orthopedic surgery with a fellowship in sports medicine. My practice is essentially dedicated to the care and treatment of shoulder and elbow injuries, as well as knees. So I've had the opportunity to care for very elite individuals. Although my practice does take care of high school, college, and professional athletes, the majority of my practice is taking care of those people in the community. Since I've been doing this for 25 years, I've had the opportunity to care for extended families, and have had kids that I treated when they were in high school that now bring me their kids. My emphasis and my philosophy on care is to help those achieve one of two primary goals: to decrease pain and struggling, and to increase function and performance. To get somebody healthy, they have to participate in that restoration of the body, of the mind. So when we have a high school athlete, for instance, that may want to go on to play D1, when they're out for a year or even a part of a season, one of our challenges, like we do with our professional athletes, is when they come back, we actually want them better than when they got injured. And that encompasses not only their physical training, but the mental training. One of the big advantages of being part of Illinois Bone and Joint and being a partner within this very successful and talented entity is that we do have the talent and the support of every discipline within the musculoskeletal system. I have two favorite visits with my patients. And that's their first visit, when I get to meet them and understand a little bit about them and what their needs are. And then it's the end. It's when we have that closure visit where they're back doing everything they want to do, or they come back and they tell me what they were able to accomplish in the last year.